What have you guys got there?
Oh, a cicada.
What do you know about cicadas?
Well, we know that when they finish petrol answer, they shouldn't be around cicadas. It's one of the cicadas' predators. Yes. That's like some music. Yeah, it's bad.
George, what is your favorite thing about cicadas?
That they like humans.
Let me see inside your net, Gemma. What's special about these cicadas?
No. They come eat 17 years.
So how old will you be the next time they come out of the ground?
22.
What do cicadas eat?
They eat. Okay, Tinkle, you gotta get grass and trees from your diet. You're gonna go away.
Where do the cicadas go to put their eggs?
In tree branches. I would like to ask you if they eat that, and if I could put them there and they could eat. Can they?
I don't know if they eat that. That's a bush. I don't know if they eat that kind of bush, but they might. It's not a tree. Gemma, what do you like about the cicadas?
I like to pet them, and I think they're much kinder. But there's rain falling, but I don't think that we can't get out there. But we want to go there. But I have my living free and in the wild, and we want to catch some cicadas in my bug.
Your bug net?
My bug net.